In this activity, we are going to write first some header here, the students and the sports. So we are going to identify the student with numbers, number 1, number 2, and so on. We can select it and drag it down until 30 students, for example, here. Okay. We can write the different sport that we can have here. We can copy here football, for example, and then we can paste it here. But if we select some random cells holding Control key down, we can do many at the same time. The same for the rest of the sports. Control C here, and then click to select one, and then Control and you select others. Control V. We got one sport for each student. Now we can count how many students have chosen each sport here. So we need a formula. So we start with equal, and the function is count. So we use uppercase, count if, then the place where we have to look, which is all this range, semicolon, and then what we want to find. In that case, football. Close the bracket, enter, so 10. Then we can modify this equation, so we can drag it down. For example, we don't want to move this, we don't want to move this number 2. So we add $, and here we add $, so we don't move 31 or 2. Enter, it's the same thing, and now we can drag down and everything is going to work. As you can see, we keep this, but we move the other one. Good. Now we would like to add here how many we have. So we can use this function, drag, close the function, enter the 30 that we expected. And then we can use this number to calculate the proportion of people that have chosen each sport. So we select this cell, divided by the total. Again, we can use, we want to keep this one this time, so we can use $here before 7. So when we drag it down, it works. Now that is selected, we can choose this format, which is personalized. We have the percentage. Then we can add some more format. For example, we can choose all the column that we have chosen, Control. So we don't need to select this one. And we can choose, for example, a font that you like. What else? We make sure that we have the same size everywhere. We can also adjust automatically all the width of the columns. Maybe we can change here. We select Control, and then we can change the color of the font, for example, which is this one that you like. And now we can make a graph. Look, we calculate this just for practice, but we only need to select this range to make a nice graph, a sector graph, insert, graph. Every time they choose one type of, we're lucky, sometimes they give you another kind of possibilities. Okay, there are many, but what they select automatically, sometimes this one. Okay, in that case, okay, the one they suggest is the right one, and as you can see, the percentage are the same that we calculated, so we didn't need to calculate it. and then we can explore the different possibilities of this graph here. Okay, configuration, maybe we don't have to change this because it's essential, but here you can have different choices. For example, I like 3D. Okay, I don't like this because I like more this label. I think it's clearly that the legend. What else? I like this with the whole like pineapple. It give me the, for example, the values. Okay, the value that we got, number of students have chosen each sport. That's nice. You can change here this kind of thing, but in that case we don't want to, or I don't like it for this purpose. We can give it a title. We can give this title. Copy and paste is always so nice to avoid mistakes. Okay, and when we can say here sport distribution, for example, so we can stop it like this. You can set the size that you want, set it in the right place, maybe like this. Perfect. Thanks for your attention. Good luck.